الدرهم.
واخا
هذا حطوه هنا.
اوكي ان شاء الله.
بس الريحه.
يلا شكرا.
صحة.
عليك الصحة.
مرحبا.
شكرا.
حاجة زوينة.
So, not sure if I got ripped off there or not. Got a funny feeling I did. So, he said it's normally a gram per dirham. I got 300 grams, but he charged me 200 dirhams. Sounds like a lot of money for spices. Oh wow, it's the last day and I've got some change left, so it's not a big drama.
لازم تضرب بروموسيون. واش هذا؟ كما لازم تيجي تخابور. لازم تضرب. بروموسيون.
Okay, we can't afford to make any more stops now. We need to go to the airport. So once I exit the Souk, then we'll end the video there. We're not far from the end now. Okay, we are coming up towards the end. We can turn left here, we'll go straight down. It's pretty busy on the left hand side, so we'll go straight down. Alright, it's closed off. Expected that door to be open. Looks like we'll have to go all the way around.
Yeah.
Let's go through here. Like an indoor gadgets market.
لا هذيك باش كتسرقاش على الجو.
So this is like full of like mobile phones and video games. Wow, it's quite big. Much bigger than I had expected. There's so much gadgets here. Tablets and phones and games, consoles and everything. If I'd have known about this place, I would have got my memory card from here. I didn't need a memory card.
انا غادي يوخرني ديما انا ولا لا ها هو ما فيهاش غادي نشرك مع زيد
Right, there's a bit of a disabled guy on the floor. I've got a t-shirt that I want to donate to him. So I'll just take the bag off. Okay. Zain? Mazian? Good? Huh? Yeah, good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So I was waiting to give that t-shirt to someone. It's really hard to find like the right person. I feel like he was a fitting person for that t-shirt. There were some people who were sleeping out on the streets on my first night here. I wish I had donated some money to them. But since then, it's hard to find who's genuine, who's not. Like I said before, if you feel like you want to donate to some people, then you should do it. I can't tell people who to donate to and who not to. So yeah, we'll be ending the video there. We are across the road from the hotel and I'm just going to get ready to go to the airport. And I hope you enjoyed this video along with any of the other videos in the series. Inshallah, I'll see you again in the future. Take care for now. Assalamu alaikum.